Today on Mr. Music Man TV, we're working on our ABCs. My friends help you learn your shapes to a beat. Mr. Matt wants a dance-off. And what's the word of the day? Mr. Brent has the answer. Coming up first, it's time to sing our ABCs. And remember, Mr. Music Man loves to sing them nice and loud and dance at the same time. Can you sing louder than Mr. Music Man? Challenge accepted!
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z.
Everybody throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands in the air, throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Freeze! 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D,
E, F, G
H, I, J, K,
L-M-N-O-P
Q-R-S
T-U-V
W-X
Y-and-Z.
Everybody wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands in the air, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands. Freeze! 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D,
E, F, G
H, I, J, K,
L-M-N-O-P
Q-R-S
T-U-V
W-X
Y-and-Z.
Everybody put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands in the air, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands in the air, put your hands up, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands in the air, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands in the air, wave your hands. Move to the left now, move to the left now, move to the left. Come on now, move to the right now, move to the right now, move to the right. Put your left arm up, put your right arm up. Now everybody clap those hands, clap, 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 clap.
Circle,
Circle,
triangle,
triangle,
rectangle,
rectangle,
square,
square,
pentagon,
pentagon,
hexagon,
hexagon,
octagon,
octagon,
star,
star,
oval,
oval,
trapezoid,
trapezoid,
rhombus,
rhombus,
parallelogram,
parallelogram,
parallelogram.
parallelogram.
Mr. Music Man's word of the day. It's time for our word of the day. Can I get a drum roll, please? Our word of the day is trombone.
Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Music Man here. How are you doing? Listen, I've got a special instrument for you today I wanted to introduce to you. Do you recognize this instrument? Well, you may not. It's a brass instrument. And guess what kind of instrument it's called? It's called the trombone. Would you like to see how it works? Wonderful. First, notice that the trombone is in 3 parts. I'm going to take it apart for you now and show you the different parts. First, we have the bell. The bell is where the sound comes out. This is where all the special music you hear comes right to your ears. The second part of it is the slide. The slide moves up and down just like this, and this is the only instrument in the band or the orchestra that has a slide on it. Finally, we have this third part. This is called a mouthpiece. The mouthpiece is where we make a special sound with our lips. Would you like to hear that? It's called a buzz. Awesome. Now what we do is we take the mouthpiece, we put it in the slide like so, and we put the bell back on the slide. And guess what? We have ourselves a trombone. Any of you out there like race cars? Well, if you do, I've got a special treat for you. Everybody put your hands on the gear shift. Are you ready? Was that fast enough for you, boys and girls? How about a song for you now? I hope you enjoy it. What'd you think, boys and girls? Did you like it? Yeah, that's the trombone. You know, the trombone is the only instrument in the band or the orchestra that has a slide on it, just like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. That's the sound of the trombone.
Mr. Music Man's Word of the Day! I challenge you to a dance-off. First person who stops is out. On your mark, set, dance, 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 dance. The shoot. Floss. Watch out. Jump, 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 jump. The shoot. Floss.
I don't know what that's called, but I like it. Cool. Slide and clap. Look both ways before crossing the street. The shoot. Floss. Slow-mo jump. How are you doing that? Oh, there we go. Jump, 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 jump. He's getting tired. Stay in there. You got this. He's almost out of gas. You're gonna win. Hang on.
You win!
Hey, Mom and Dad, be sure to help your children say and use our word of the day this week. And if you and your kids are enjoying our classes, smash our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be the first to receive our latest class every week. And if your child wants more Mr. Music Man, you can go to MrMusicManCompany.com/TV, where you can find classes from all of our Mr. Music Man locations all together in one place.